Bitwise AND operator works on two operands and it gives true or 1 only in the condition when both the operands are 1 or true, otherwise it will give false. So 19 is a decimal number whose binary form is 0001 0011. Similarly, decimal number 15 has binary form 00001111. And when we do AND of 19 and 15, output is 00000011. That is, in decimal form it is 3. So let's see it in the form of program. Hash include stdio.h int main. I'm taking 3 integer variables n, m and r. I'm assigning n equals to I'm giving it 19, m equals to 15, and r equals to n and m. Printf \n, here bitwise, and equals to %t, comma, here I will print r. Return 0. Save the program. Build it and run it. So bitwise and between 19 and the decimal number 19 and 15 will give you 3 result, which is in decimal form. If we change number, like if I want to give m, instead of 15 I want to give 98 and n equals to 19, then AND operation between these two will give 2. Now bitwise OR is reverse of bitwise AND. It gives 1 when any single operand is 1. Otherwise, if both the operands are 0 or false, it will give false. Like for 19, decimal binary number is 0001 0011. 15 binary form is 00001111, and the output would be, it will be different from this. 00 will give you 0, again 00 will give you 0, 000, 1 and 0 will give you 1, 0 and 1 will give you 1, 0 and 1 1, 1 and 1 1, 1 and 1 1. And decimal form of this binary form is 31. So output would be here. I'm changing bitwise OR, and instead of and here put bitwise OR. Or save the program, build it and run it. So bitwise OR will give 31 result.